Good afternoon, social studies class. You're probably wondering why Mrs. Engel has all these various different kinds of shoes on my table. These shoes on my table is going to help me describe to you what our new unit is going to be about. But before we get into our unit discussion, I'm going to make sure that I put on my glasses, my historian glasses, because remember last week when we were talking that when we view things in mathematics or from the perspective of a mathematician, it's different than the perspective from a scientist or from a historian. Well, we're getting ready to talk about social studies, so I have my social studies glasses on. I'm viewing our topic on the way a historian would view it. So our unit plan is going to be on uniqueness. If you look at these shoes, they're all different looking. Some of them have different purposes, to keep you warm, to be if you're playing athlete or if you're going somewhere nice or dressy or summer or in the fall. So just as all these shoes are unique or different, so are we. Our unit this time is going to be on uniqueness. Who, me? Who, you? Yes, we're all unique. At the end of the unit, we will be able to describe how we are alike and how we are different. If we look at these shoes, they're all shoes, right? They all cover our feet, which is how they are all alike. But they're all different in the purpose that they provide, just like you and me. We are alike that we're all humans, and we are different because each of us have a different trait that makes us unique. We will be able to define diversity and how diversity impacts our communities. And did you know there's all kinds of community? When you live at home, that's a community. Here in school, that's a community. And then out in our towns, those are also communities. So we're going to learn about different communities and the word diversity. That's going to be one of our key vocabulary words, diversity. I can't wait to give you the definition of diversity as we dig into our unit plan. Our next unit goal will be able to define goods and services. Johnny, do you have an idea what a good might be or a service, Kathy? Yes, Johnny. A good is something we consume. And a service, yes, Kathy, is something we provide. We will also be able to demonstrate or identify what a good speaker and a good listener looks like and sounds like. Because as we learn how we are unique and how our diversity and our traits impact our classroom, our home, and our community outside of the classroom and home, we will be able to present with a diagram and a speaking engagement, and we are going to be good listeners and good speakers, so we can use all of these things to help us become civic-minded. And I can't wait to the end of our unit as we dig in deep and get to the definition of what it takes to be a good civic-mind citizen.